Hey guys! So today I'm going to share with you what I got in my Ipsy bag for the month of April. I actually really like all the products that I received this month. As I opened the bag, I used the products, so some of the products that are on my face right now were products in the bag, and I'm really happy with how everything applied. So if you would like to see what I got in my Ipsy bag for this month, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to take out of my bag is an eyeliner. This is from the brand EM Cosmetics. It's called an Illustrative eyeliner with a brush tip, and it looks like it's a black eyeliner. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to do a winged liner. So this is what the eyeliner looks like up close. I thought it was a felt tip at first, but then when I look at it more closely, it almost looks like they're little bristles, like it's a brush tip, but it's tapered, so I'm not exactly sure. So after trying out this eyeliner by EM Cosmetics, I'm actually really impressed by it. It was actually really easy to do a winged liner with it, and the way that the brush is shaped makes it really easy to do a winged liner, and you have a lot of control with the brush, and it makes it really easy to get a very precise and sharp line to get that really crisp wing, if that makes sense. I did kind of do my winged liner a little bit thick today. I usually don't do it so thick starting out from the inner corner of my eye, but I don't know what I was doing today. It just happened like that. But I think it looks okay like that. It doesn't look too bad. But I actually really like how this eyeliner turned out. It feels really, really easy to work with. Definitely better than the eyeliner I got in my Ipsy bag last month. But that wasn't a liquid liner. That was just a basic twist up liner, but I did not like that eyeliner. This one is really good. Oh, duh. So I was trying to figure out if it was a brush tip or a felt tip. It actually says brush tip on here. So brush tip, yeah, it is a brush tip. Sorry about that. This is actually something that I'm really excited to continue using, and I feel like this might be a product that I would actually repurchase. So the next product in my bag is a blush from Ofra Cosmetics. It is called their Rendezvous blush. I'm assuming that is the color of the shade. So this is what the blush looks like up close. I really like this color because it's not very bright. It's very muted and warm toned. It kind of reminds me of almost a bronzer, but a little bit more orange and pink, if that makes sense. I just really like the shade. I think it's really pretty. It's almost like a dark peach. This is what it looks like on my finger. It's very pigmented, just like that. So it looks like a really pretty color. I really like Ofra Cosmetics. I haven't found anything from Ofra Cosmetics that I haven't liked so far. Everything I've been pretty happy with from their brand. So I'm really excited to try this on my cheeks. So I'm just going to put it in my little Z palette. I think this other thing is actually from Ofra. Highlighter. I think this highlighter is also from Ofra Cosmetics. I think I got this in an Ipsy bag or BoxyCharm a couple months ago. I'm just going to pop it in my Z palette. I'm going to use this brush from Bare Minerals. It's a feather light brush. It's basically just a stippling brush, but I like it because it doesn't apply blush too heavy. It makes it a little bit more sheer because I don't like a really heavy blush application. So I'm just going to actually, I think this is a really pretty color. It looks very natural. I think it's really pretty for spring. It kind of just looks like it's like a barely there blush. Of course, you could build it up and it would be more pigmented, but I really like how this looks. So I'm just going to dip it back in and apply some to the other side. I really like it. I'm really happy with it. It looks really natural and does not look too harsh. And I feel like it blends into my bronzer really nicely, where it just gives a nice flush to the cheeks without being super harsh, and it just makes your cheeks look healthy and not pasty. So I really like it. I'm really happy with this blush. Okay, let's see what else is in here. The next product in my bag is a little mini highlighter. It's from the brand Elizabeth Mott, and it's called Show Me Your Glow Shimmer Shadow and Highlighter. It kind of just looks like a very light, a little bit of gold champagne look to it, but it's not very dark. It's very light for a highlighter, but I do like light highlighters because I have very fair skin. So I'm going to swatch it real quick. Get a little bit on my finger. So this is what it looks like on my finger, and then I'll just swatch it. So it looks nice. It looks like a very natural highlight. It has a nice glow to it. So actually, I think this highlight looks really nice. It's not like a super bold pigmented highlight where it's like pop highlight, but it does have a really nice glow to it. So it is definitely buildable. Okay, so I really like this highlighter. I think it looks really pretty. It gives a really nice natural glow and it doesn't look too harsh, but it's really easy to blend out. I have pretty pale, fair skin, especially because I haven't self-tanned yet for spring or summer, so this is my winter skin right now. It says it's a shimmer shadow and a highlighter, so I'm going to try a little bit on my inner corner of my eyes. Okay, I just put some on my brow bone and then my inner corner, and it didn't do too much. I feel like it did a better job on the rest of my face, but it still did do a nice highlight for my inner corner. It just not too bold or anything. So the next two products in my Ipsy bag are not for my face. So one of them is a nail polish, and the brand is PS Cosmeceutical. It says it's an infused nail lacquer, and it says 10 free. So it's free of toluene, formaldehyde, formaldehyde resin, camphor, lead, paraben, xylene, ethyl tosylamide, triphenyl phosphate, and hazardous phthalates, and it is not tested on animals, and it is vegan, so that's pretty cool. And the color is Southern Sand. It says PS Cosmeceutical products are infused with grapefruit seed extract, which is known for its medicinal uses as an antimicrobial and antifungal. So that's cool. I guess maybe that is supposed to keep your nail polish to last longer so that nasty bacteria and fungi don't grow in your nail polish. I don't know, but that's what it says. Oh, this is a really pretty color. So this is what the polish looks like. It's a really pretty jar, and the color is really pretty. It's like a really pretty pale nude. I don't have anything on my nails, so that's good. My nails are really short though at the moment, so it's gonna be difficult to paint them. So I just put one coat on my thumb. This is how it looks. I'm gonna let it dry and put another coat on top of it. Okay, so I just finished putting on 2 coats of the polish onto my left hand. It hasn't dried down all the way yet, but I actually really like this color. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of like an off-white ivory nude shade. It had pretty good like pigmentation. It wasn't really thin and it wasn't really thick. It was just right. And one coat wasn't opaque enough for my personal taste. I like to do 2 coats. So the last product in the box, or in the bag, the last product in the bag is a hand and nail cream. The brand is called The White Company London. This is called their Seashells Bergamot, Amber, and Vanilla Hand and Nail Cream. And it's a little tube. Okay, I guess this is how they describe the scent. It's like a warm Indian ocean breeze. Soothing Seashells is an evocative blend with notes of rich amber, fresh bergamot, and bright orange, warmed by notes of exotic coconut, vanilla, and almond. It says this rich, nourishing cream contains natural shea butter and sweet almond oil to soothe and calm dry hands, leaving them beautifully moisturized, protected, and softly scented. So I did try this last night. I got my Ipsy bag yesterday. Today's Thursday. I got it yesterday on Wednesday in the mail, and this is the one thing that I actually tried yesterday when I got it because it's a hand cream, so I just put it on my hands. And I love how this smells. It smells so good. I don't know. It smells really good. I love the scents of like vanilla and almond and orange. And I don't know what amber is supposed to smell like, but this smells good. It has amber in it, I guess. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. I don't know what to compare it to. It just smells really clean and fresh, like citrusy, but with some almond and vanilla and whatever amber smells like. I don't know, but it makes it smell good. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I just love the scent. I don't know why it smells so good. It smells really good. I'm probably gonna put this in my purse so I can bring it with me because it smells really good and it's a little small size. So it's perfect to carry around. Or I might keep it to wear before I go to bed so my hands smell good when I go to bed because I like it when I have good smelling lotion before I go to sleep. This absorbs into your skin so fast. It doesn't feel oily or greasy at all. It's really weird. It feels soft like I put lotion on, but I don't feel the greasiness of lotion. So I actually really like this. I don't know. Where do you get this brand? I've never heard of this brand before. I'm gonna look up where you can buy this because I really like it. I feel like this is something that I would actually want to repurchase. So that completes my Ipsy bag for the month of April. And I really am impressed with the products that I got this month. Last month, I didn't like a lot of the products that I received, but for this month, Ipsy did a really good job. I don't know if I just got lucky and got really good products, but I like everything that I got in my bag this month. There isn't anything that I'm disappointed in. Let me know down in the comments what you got this month. If you are subscribed to Ipsy as well, I would love to hear what you got. If maybe we got some of the same things, or if you got different things, let me know what you got, and if you've tried them out, let me know what you think about them. Also in the comments, if you want, you can let me know what types of videos you want to see next, so I have some ideas on what you guys actually want to see. I do have some ideas planned out for future videos, but I just thought it would be nice if you guys want to maybe let me know what you want to see. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video on Monday. Bye!